Hey Sunny Solution fans, if you're watching this live, give me some hearts and likes. If you're watching on the replay, do a hashtag replay. So today is March 1st of 2021, and I wanted to give you a spring cleaning diffuser recipe, and I call it my hoarder blend. So if you've been accumulating things over the winter and it's time to let go, you might really like this recipe. And I think it's really timely because doTERRA is actually giving one of the oils in this recipe this month, Lemongrass, for 15% off. Most of the time their featured product is only 10% off, so this is quite a bargain. And so I also have the La Luz diffuser right now. And you can see I've got the water pre-filled to the water level. I like it, it's easy to see. And so lemongrass has emotional property, and I took some information from this Essential Emotions book, and is the oil of cleansing. And I'm gonna put in 4 drops. Okay, and so lemongrass helps people that have been feeling despondent, despairing, or even lethargic. And that happens to most of us in the wintertime if we don't have a real active lifestyle and we're not getting a lot of sunshine. So lemongrass can help us move through that kind of despairing, lethargic feeling that we have coming out of wintertime. And then I have wintergreen. So wintergreen is a oil of surrender. And so I'm gonna put in, let's see, how many drops? 3 drops of wintergreen. And it came out kind of fast, so I got 3 exactly. And wintergreen, like you said, helps us to let go of things. And then cilantro. So cilantro is one of our kind of herbal cooking oils. And I'm gonna put in 1 drop of cilantro. You can put in more if you like. This one kind of comes out slow, so I might have to shake it a little bit because I'm at the bottom of the bottle. Okay, so I kind of had to tap out the last of it in there. All right, and then cilantro is about releasing control. And so if you've got some things that you've just been hanging on to and really don't have control over it, but you think you do, this might be good to add to your spring cleaning blend. So we had 4 drops of lemongrass, 3 drops of wintergreen, and 1 drop of cilantro. Now you can adjust these up or down if you would prefer one smell over another. And then with the La Luz diffuser, you stick the little top back on it here. And then it has this really pretty glass cover, and so it'll reflect the light. And it seals down pretty good. And then it has several settings. So there's a 1 hour, a 2 hour, and a 4 hour setting. And then there's also a high mist setting. And so you can change, I'll show you here. You can also change the mist. So on high mist, it'll only run those 4 hours. And then there's also the light setting. So you can move it to different colors of light and dark and white. So there you go. And then on the low mist setting, it'll run up to 8 hours. So it has a lot of versatility. And this month, doTERRA has included a couple of essential oils with this. So you can go in to the special offers and look at this one. And then if you haven't got the Dawn humidifier yet, they're also offering a special with that one as well. So anyway, I hope that you really like the spring cleaning hoarder blend that I share with you. It smells really yummy to me, kind of like a lifesaver might smell. It's really refreshing. So turn this on and start cleaning out your home and get ready to let go of some old things so you can make room for new things. If you have some questions about any of these oils or some of the specials that are happening in March of 2021, let me know. I would love to hear from you, and I hope you have a great night. Talk to you soon.